Alright, today I'm going to show you how to do a 3D path. We placed in some 3D symbols, we used our materials and put our grass and our concrete and asphalt in. So the first step is to go to 3D view, pick on path, and I'll pick the new icon here. When I do that, I go back into CAD in CARLSON, and this may take a few seconds. What I've noticed is it'll take anywhere from 10 seconds to 30 seconds. But in the command prompt, it's going to ask you to select your line work. So I'm going to go ahead and it's right here. It says waiting for the remote here. I'll hit cancel on that. And now it's asking me to select my entity. So I'm going to select that center line right there. It grabs that center line path, and then you can set up as far as moving, no movement, camera height. Let's go with 2 meters on that. And the aim distance, let's go 2. And then you can shift from the center line. If you wanted to be off just a little bit, you could shift on that. And we're not. We're just going to keep it like it is, so I'll pick OK. Then on the far left side here, you need to pick on where it says path mode. When you pick on that, you can set your speed, and we'll go ahead and start here. And you can see how we're driving down the road, and you can slow it down. Let's say I want to go to 25. And if you use your mouse, you can kind of pan to the left and pan to the right as you're driving. Then if you need to slow it down even more, you can slow it down even more, maybe through the intersection, because you want to see some things in here. So while you're doing a 3D path, you can rotate it around to show special things in the intersection. Then after you get done going through the intersection, if you want to speed it back up, you can. And you can change your view. Now, you can always stop it. You can tell it to restart. You can start it back up, go at 30. So there's different options for you in here. Now, something else you can do is go to File, Export, and you can export this out as an AVI file. So you would go ahead and pick, a name. We're just going to call this citystreet30.avi file. Your speed, this is where you can type in what you want your speed to be. The path here, you can pick your path. So we have that picked. If I pick on the compression, one of the things that we noticed is TechSmith does the best job as far as creating the actual AVI file. And then frames per second, you can change that up. And let me just pick OK here. So it's going to produce the AVI file driving through this. Now this could take 30 seconds, could take a couple of minutes. It just depends on how long your roadway is. So, but it's a very good tool for you to be able to send to clients that are wanting to see the project, and you're able to create an AVI file inside of TerraVision. Well, guys, this should conclude the path part, and thank you very much.